Hi, I'm Mike from Bonsbach Easy Lift of North America. I will now show you how to effectively reduce the pressure in a standard gas spring. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have safety glasses. Now, if you have a standard gas spring such as this one, and the force is just a little bit too high for your application, you may want to reduce the pressure. First thing to do is unscrew the end fitting from the cylinder end. You'll notice inside the threads there's a hole. This is where the valve is located. You'll take your release screw and you'll slowly screw it onto the threads. Now you want to make sure the gas spring is away from you and in a vertical position with the rod side down. And you'll screw on the release tool just until you feel it bottom out onto the valve, till it stops, right about there. Now from this point, it's only going to be about 1 1/4 turns until it wants to start releasing the pressure inside. Now these gas springs are under high pressure. For example, this one is at 1100 newtons. So the gas is going to want to escape very rapidly. So once the gas starts to release, you want to make sure you're ready to back the tool off very quickly, just allowing a short burst of nitrogen to escape. So I will now turn this 1 1/4 turns. And now I'll just proceed slowly from here until I hear a small burst of gas escape, and I'll back it off immediately. Just like that. And now, remove the release tool, reinstall your end fitting, and install the gas spring back onto your application and test it out again. And this process can be repeated over and over again until your application works correctly. Now, just as a caution, always remember that these gas springs are under extremely high pressure, and you have to be very, very careful. And also, they cannot be refilled elsewhere. If you do bleed off too much nitrogen, you need to add more nitrogen back into the gas spring to make it stronger. You must send the gas spring back to us, and we will gladly refill it for you. And that is how you effectively remove some pressure from a standard gas spring.